Welcome, one and all. Veronica, you're welcome to come up. Let's connect with our breath. Connect our inhale with our exhale. Making one breath. Top of the inhale, beginning to exhale. Bottom of the exhale, beginning again the inhalation. And continuing like that in an infinite loop, cycle of breath. Noticing how you are, how you're breathing, how your energy is, where it is, how the body is, where your mind is. And welcoming yourself to be present now, here, in this moment, in this space, in your body. Welcome. And creating more of a depth in your breathing, utilizing the full expanse of your lungs, your diaphragm, and the abdominal walls. As you exhale, letting those deflate with the force of gravity assisting you. Checking your postural alignment. As you exhale, you can bring length, stretch the spine straight, lift the heart, release the shoulder blades, shoulders back, down. Draw the chin in so the back of the neck lengthens. And begin to share your breath with your seat, pelvic floor. Rooting down, stabilizing your foundation, feeling comfortable, relaxed. And from there, stretching up, rooting to rise. Breathing now from the navel, as we do as yogis. Drawing breath to the belly, to the root line, navel, sacrum, base of the spine. A few more breaths like this, and then we'll tune in together. Keep a lift in the heart. Hands are invited to be in Gyan Mudra, index fingers and thumbs lightly touching. Tip of the tongue is invited to lightly press the roof of the mouth. And the two eyes are invited to triangulate at the third, the brow point.